Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about fragrances that I would say buy this and not that. Now I do love all of these fragrances, but I prefer one over the other. So I'm going to put y'all on to the ones that I prefer more than the other. First, let's start off with Eat and Juicy Apple 01. So this one, I do like it. I really do. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel, you know, like youthful and all of that, because it is a nice juicy apple scent. It gives you that old school, you know, Victoria's Secret body wash vibe when you had the lotion and the spray and all of that. And it does make me feel happy. Like, this is something I reach for in the spring and summer when I want to, you know, go run errands and do something just casual. Not anything fancy, not anything upscale or nothing like that. This is just like an easy reach for the spring and summer. You know you're going to smell good and you're going to get your errands done. But I just wouldn't repurchase it because that's really, I don't know, that's really all it is to me. Just a nice, easy reach perfume body splash, I guess. Like, it's cute, but So I prefer Apple Brandy on the rocks. This is more grown up. Yeah, this is more giving me more grown up. Okay, so I would still wear this just out and about casually. You can wear this to something a little more, you know, I'm not saying formal, but if you want to go to brunch wearing this, you know, that's fine. But this is my spring summer angel share. So if you like angel share, this is a more on the rocks type of version, more watered down, but not watered down in a bad way, just more light and airy, and it kind of gives you that same vibe, but it's more juicy and airy. So it's not like super juicy, super appley like the Eat and Juicy Apple, but like I said, this is like my daughter and this is like me, you know what I'm saying? So that's kind of how I see these. Don't get me wrong, I really like this, like I said, but if you're looking for that type of vibe, a little more upscale, a little more grown, go with this one. So the next one, y'all gonna be a little like, what, girl? Because this is a fan favorite, so, and I know that, but it is a Bois de Freak. I do like Bois de Freak, don't get me wrong, and I really do enjoy it. It does have some vetiver in there, so with me, vetiver can be kind of funny. It can be cool, or sometimes it can be like a little musty kind of smelling like. So with this fragrance in particular, I have to do like a lemony citrus type of body routine to bring out the lemons and the citrus and not like the woods and the vetiver, and that's how I enjoy it. But since I have to like work so hard to enjoy it the way I really want to enjoy it, I wouldn't repurchase it, and I prefer Musk Therapy by Initio. So this also gives me a citrusy, clean, musky type of vibe, not as woody, but definitely citrusy and clean. It has the bergamot and the mandarin in it, which gives it that nice juiciness, and then it does have sandalwood and musk in it. Of course, it's Musk Therapy to give it a nice clean type of vibe, which is the same type of vibe that I get from Bois de Freak as well. But I just prefer this one better. Like, it just lasts longer. It just, the sillage just smells better. The citrus and the musk just vibes better with my chemistry. So I just like this one better, and I would highly recommend this for a spring summer scent. If you like citruses but you don't want to smell like cleaning product, girl, this is the one. So next is Sand Dance by Stephane Lucas. This is such a pretty bottle, of course, and the fragrance is just as beautiful as well. Like, I really do enjoy it. I wore this a few times in the fall and winter, and it just reminded me of another fragrance that I have in my collection. This one smells so good. It's chocolatey and smooth and rich and slightly a little boozy, sweet. It's really good. It's definitely giving chocolatey gourmand, but in a fragrance type of way. Like, this definitely smells like perfume. It does not smell like foodie, but it does give that gourmand aspect, and I really do like it. I really do. But it's just not holding up. It's just not holding up for me compared to my baby Black Phantom. Y'all know I am obsessed with Black Phantom. They are so similar though. Like, you almost don't need both. But I prefer to wear this one at night and this one in the day in the cold weather. So that's why I kept them both in my fragrance collection. And I do really like both of them. You don't necessarily need both though. And y'all already know this is giving sexiness. This is giving chocolate, coffee, or caramel, sweet, vanilla with like some kind of booze or something in here. Like, this is just a super sexy fragrance to me, and y'all know I love it so much. This is a unisex scent, but to me, this leans feminine. I can definitely see a man wearing this though, but I feel like when I put it on, it doesn't smell as unisex. But I just absolutely love this, and I just feel like I reach for this more than I reach for this, so I wouldn't repurchase this, but I would absolutely repurchase this and recommend this. Next is Creed Love and White. Now this was in my video of fragrances that I said I plan to use up for 2023, and I told y'all how much I really do enjoy this scent. This really does make you feel like you should have on all white. You should be going somewhere really elegant and pretty and princessy like. It's a beautiful floral scent. Like, it's definitely heavy on the florals, the white florals. Of course, fragrances are genderless, ageless, so anybody can wear anything, but in my opinion, this does lean slightly more on the mature side. Like, I just don't see somebody in their 20s wearing this. They gonna be like, you smell like my mama, or you smell like my grandma. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see it, but if they do, that's totally fine. This is really elegant and nice. It's clean and soapy, so anybody can wear it. Absolutely. I don't think I would repurchase it though. That's because I prefer Oud Jaune Intense slightly more. Oud Jaune Intense is also a nice floral fragrance. It has a little bit more creaminess to it though, because of the yellow florals that are in here. It has a little more to it. Like, I feel like Love and White is so clean, so soapy, so fresh of a floral, and it can lean slightly mature in my eyes, but I mean, I'm mature, I'm 43, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm mature, I get it, but this gives me more of a sweetness. You feel like the yellow florals are in here too. It gives you like a creaminess, and it just has a little more to it. It's not just soapy, you know. The soapiness is kind of like floating with the creaminess and the sweetness. It's just, you know, a little bit more going on in this one, so that's why I like this one more. So Oud Jaune Intense, definitely give this a try if you are a floral lover, especially if you like yellow florals and sweetness, creaminess. Try this. Last is a Bon by Viktor Rolf. Bon was also one of the fragrances that was in my fragrances that I'm going to use up for 2023, and I really do enjoy this. I'm actually almost done with it. As you can see, my dent is way down here, so I have been using her and using her up. This is a nice fruity floral. It has a little caramel in it, so it's got some sweetness to it. And it's just a nice balance of fruits and florals. I like to wear it more in the colder months, but it does really shine in the spring and summer as well. Like, the heat from your body just makes this come alive a lot more. This can't always cut through the cold, but it's just a beautiful fruity floral. But the longevity on it is not great. You might get like 4 hours out of it before you have to top up. But I feel like it's pretty. It gets the fruity floral job done. And I do recommend that if you have not tried this, definitely give it a try, or at least smell it and see how you like it. But I would not repurchase it because I have a fruity floral that I like so much better. And that is 100 Silent Ways by Nishane. This is the fruity floral. It's fruity, it's floral, it's sweet, it's all of the things. It's an all year round fragrance. You can wear it any time of the year, and I think it's just gonna always show up and show out. I would definitely recommend this one over that one. The longevity on this is better. The sillage on it is better. It's just a better performing fragrance, of course, but this is really good. Like, this is the fruity floral that every girl needs in their collection. It's just it's so good. I just can't wait to start wearing this again more in the spring and summer. But this can, like I said, be worn all year round, but when this radiates with some heat, girl, like, this is that girl. So I really do like this fragrance and highly recommend. So even though I enjoy those fragrances, there are other fragrances in my collection that I enjoy more. So I wanted to show you guys those. So definitely everything will be linked down in the comment section. If you have something in your collection that you enjoy it, but you like X perfume better, let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.